DS Diving here September 12th. Mandarin Holiday Marina, slip 46. I do believe Aurora. We are going to shoot a quick before video. See how her water line's looking. I do have all spray with me, but I talked to the office and they said we have done it a couple times this year already, or this recently, and it's not very good for your gel coat. This isn't horrible. Yeah, I can see where we've done it recently. I'm gonna go ahead and hold off on the hull spray for now. But if you guys want it done, we're happy to do it again. Again, it is rough on the gel coat. Let's get her cleaned up and take a look at how she looks when we're done. DS Diving, thank you.